Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about window. All are causes of sensory neural deafness except sensory neural deafness occurs in old age, cochlear otosclerosis, and loud sound. It does not occur in rupture of tympanic membrane is actually conductive hearing loss, not sensory neural hearing loss. Then resonance of tympanic membrane is 800 to 1600 Hz. Tympanic membrane and ear ossicles efficiently transmit the sound frequency of 500 to 2000 Hz. Threshold of moderate hearing loss is 41 to 55 decibels is the threshold of moderate hearing loss. Threshold of mild hearing loss is 26 to 40 decibels. Threshold of moderate hearing loss is 41 to 55 decibels. And threshold of severe hearing loss is more than 91 decibels. A person has difficulty. Thank you and thank you for watching.